So I started with these clothespins that I got from Dollar General. They came 100 count for $2. And taking some Higgins Lake Wise Owl paint, I left the clothespins on the cardboard they came in the package, and I just brushed the Higgins Lake on top. I took a small art brush just to hit any areas that were harder to reach. And my main focus was just to cover what I would see in my project. Another option is using some Wreath dye if you want the entire clothespin to be covered. I used about 79 clothespins, and taking a 14-inch wreath form you can get right from Dollar Tree, I clipped the clothespin on the inner 2 bars of the wreath form. And then I just took an art brush and I just touched up any spots that were missed when I was painting them on the cardboard. And then I allowed my clothespins to dry. And then I took some more art brushes, and using some Bowie from Wise Owl, I just dry brushed the tips of the clothespins. I was not looking for full coverage. And then I took a chip brush that you can really get at any hardware store in some antique villa, and I just dry brushed on top of the Bowie in Higgins Lake. This is just a very light wisp. I grabbed a starfish and I painted it antique villa, and then I had some other embellishments that I was just painting, wasn't sure what I was going to be using. And I settled on this mermaid that I got from Hobby Lobby. And in the video here, I painted her tail with the antique villa, but then I also went back and painted her upper body. I took this burlap flower and I glued it to the side on the clothespins. And I attached the starfish and the mermaid as well. I had grabbed this fish net from Dollar Tree. It was very large, so what I did is I laid it down and laid the wreath form on top of it and just cut what I needed to cover the back of my wreath form. And what we're doing is just tying the net to the outer bar on the wreath form. And we use some floral wire to attach it as well. And then I grabbed this sign from Dollar General. It was $2 and it says Beyond the Sea. And I attached it to the wreath form using some jute and some hot glue. I placed the hot glue on the outer ends of the sign to attach it to the clothespins. And then I put some new jute through the holes that were in the sign. And then I tied the jute to the outer bar of the wreath form. So you really just want to connect this to your wreath however is easiest for you. And now you have this adorable beach wreath that you can hang at your front door. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our webpage or on our YouTube. Have a great day.